Hey guys, welcome back to Techmates. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the connection lost or error in your Roblox. This guide takes less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. So first thing first, you have to launch your Roblox application and you have to quit it again. So this means restarting your Roblox. And once it is so, make sure that you also quit your Roblox from here. So click on this drop down menu. If you see Roblox, right click onto it and select Exit Roblox. And once it is so, come below at the search bar and type in Roblox here. Then select this app settings. You will see this Roblox here. Scroll all the way below. Here you will see Repair. Select Repair. Wait for this to load. And once this is completed, close this. Also make sure that you are connected to a very stable Wi-Fi. If you think your Wi-Fi is slower, go ahead and switch it to your another Wi-Fi. And once it is so, see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you can also try using a web browser. For that, type in Roblox login, select Roblox, which is its official website, and get logged into your account. And if it works from here, and if it does not work from your application, that means you have a problem or a glitch in your Roblox application. Come below at the search bar, type in Roblox here, and select uninstall. Select uninstall again, and if you would like to reinstall, you may go ahead, open your Microsoft Store, just like this, and you can easily download it within your Microsoft Store. For that, you will have to click on the search button, type in Roblox, search. You will see it right here, and you can download it. And this is how you can solve your problem, guys. If it had helped you in any ways, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also join our Techmates membership today. Members will get priority responses on their comments and queries. The link is right down below.